Hello everyone, today we are going to go over contact management in DialMyCalls. To manage your contacts, click on Contacts to get started. Here you will be able to see all of the contacts that are in your DialMyCalls account. Clicking on an individual contact or multiple contacts at once will bring up the Options menu. Add those contacts to a group, add them to your Do Not Contact list, or delete those contacts from your account. Click Add Contact to bring up the options for adding contacts into your account. The options are to manually add, quick add, or upload a list. The Groups tab will let you manage your contact groups that you've created. View the users in each group, when the group was made, the last time it was modified, and then you can do the following with each group. Export the group, edit the group, or delete the group. That wraps up our video on contact management in DialMyCalls. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.